Welcome everybody. I want to give you an overview about Workgroup 9 Funding and Planning, which will soon be renamed to Steering Committee. The Workgroup 9 currently has 72 members from 18 countries. We have met 23 times since April 2020, with a mean attendance number being 22. Every second meeting is together with the co-chairs of all working groups. In November 2020, the number of co-chairs was extended from 2 to 5 to distribute the workload in this workgroup on more shoulders. The current co-chairs of Workgroup 9 are Johanna Bischoff, David Grunwald, Hella Hartmann, Glyn Nelson, and myself, Roland Nitschke. I have listed here the achievements and responsibilities of the QUAREP-LiMi Workgroup 9. We worked on and co-organized and supported the following topics: preparation of 4 general meetings, setting up and maintaining the QUAREP-LiMi website, the Nextcloud server, and the soon coming Omero server. We are organizing and administrating QUAREP-LiMi's protocols IO repository. We are setting up and maintaining the LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and GitHub channel. We organized a content manager training for the workgroup co-chairs so that they can edit the QUAREP-LiMi website. We were part in seminars and webinars from Eurobioimaging, SPAOM, the UK-LM facility meeting, and the RT-MFM group. We were part of a successful MRC grant application for QUAREP-LiMi admin support, and this grant was written by Glyn and Alex. We organized QUAREP-LiMi blogs at the Core Facility Day of ELMI 2021 and 22. We organized QUAREP-LiMi blogs at the AEM meeting in Berkeley. And we were co-organizing and co-writing on 2 CZI grant applications in August 2022, which unluckily were not funded. And soon coming is a community room at the ELMI 2023, which is an adventure for all of us. With the following 2 slides, I want to show you the new organigram of QUAREP-LiMi working groups. Central is the Working Group 9, responsible for the entire organization of QUAREP-LiMi and preparing strategic decisions, including the establishment of new working groups or liaisons with other organizations and new stakeholders. Working groups in the inner green are establishing protocols for specific topics. Workgroup 1 to 6 focus on commonly used quantities regarding image performance defined by the ISO norm 21073 for confocal microscopy, but they are not limited to confocal systems. Working Group 13 works on viability and phototoxicity parameters. The new to-be-founded working groups 14 and 15 will try to deal with the environment conditions for microscopy and will be tackling standard protocols for film measurements and analysis. The blue surrounding ring holds working groups which all do no real practical experiments and are more or less in need or tightly connected with the working groups in the inner green ring. Some also give a kind of frame for the ring. Working Group 7 metadata takes care that the community agrees on a common model and finds and uses and stores the vocabulary and measurement values, allowing to record and describe the universe of light microscopy. Working Group 11 and 12 define guidelines for reporting, showing, and analyzing this universe. Workgroup 10 tries to find measures for the quality of light microscopy images. Working Group 8 will develop all kinds of materials and tools to disseminate and teach the messages and results of the other working groups to raise the awareness for their importance. The most important message: all working groups are by definition interactive and collaborative with one another. I'm now already at the end of this presentation. I want to discuss now the results of the survey, which I started in the beginning of the annual meeting, and I hope that already a lot of people answered the survey, and we will look at the summary. This is a fake slide because I have to make it fresh, and we will at the end of this presentation look at this and discuss it. Thanks to all the QUAREP-LiMi members for making this possible, and thank you very much for your attention.